Yeah, true. Yeah, no, they're in there pretty tight. It's like, I was just checking because like sometimes if it's not, you can actually see it's like lifting up, you know. Okay. No, it's 1.6. Okay. Confirmation from Celebrity Kim. That's worth. Okay. So we have so many boards coming in the next little bit, but you know what's even better than that? We have a ton of games that are coming out that I'm kind of stoked to play. On the list. Whoops. Something is just tugging at the whatchamacallit, the desk mat. On the list is Final Fantasy, what is it, 16 or something? Sheesh, I'm excited. Obligatory split right, let's go. PCB with class and style. Desperately want to play Jedi Survivor, but I haven't paid full price for a game in years. I actually feel that, Cancers. I paid full price for Final Fantasy because I want to play it. I want to try it. Initial reviews on the new combat system were pretty good. Tears of the Kingdom is going to lock me away for a minute. So that Friday that it comes out in the evening, I am so on launch day, I'm going to be playing Tears of the Kingdom. So hopefully you guys are cool with that. Hopefully you guys are interested in hanging out for some of that. I know Zelda is kind of a personal experience where you want to solve a lot of the puzzles yourself. I recognize that, but we are going to play Tears of the Kingdom on launch day. A highly skilled artist, and if so, Bullets, you introduced me to your artist. What about them? We'll have to dust off my Switch for that one. Yeah, for sure. Tears is going to be so good. Agreed. Do you need to play the other Final Fantasy? No, you wouldn't need to at all, Alpha. Each Final Fantasy game is a completely separate installment in the series and does not require, basically does not require. I need another one? Oh my god. First time here, Alpha, I appreciate you. If I didn't say hi properly to you before, I am so sorry. I should have. Okay. Welcome. I appreciate you hanging out. We've got, now we're not going to put any switches in the corner, obviously, because we're going to FF is a long, oh gosh, yeah, no, you don't need to play every single one. The cool thing about Final Fantasy is that if you know Final Fantasy, then you kind of know what you're in for. So it's a little bit like, you know, where you're like, oh, okay, I get this. Okay. Translated skills of digital artistry apart from web design. Okay. I would love to say that I am artistic. Unfortunately, I am most certainly not. Is Asmode still here? Actually, Asmode's very artistic. I don't know if he'll be the type of art style that you're looking for, Bullets, but Asmode is crazy talented. I wonder how the non-flex cut PCB is going to feel. Yeah, reply, no kidding. I agree. Because this is like bordering on a little bit cuckoo in terms of how flexy it is. He is not here. Kim, how do you know that? I do know Clackbait and Teja got that PCB. Oh. The real celebs? The actual Keeb celebs? Oh, is that not grabbing? I really like these. Actual celebrity? Yeah, for sure. I'll have to check their videos out. Yes. There you go. Thank you, Elvin. Now I think they did it this way. So it's like up on one side and down on the other. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so we've got 7. Now this is so wobbly. We're going to put in a few extra switches here, even to test the stabs. Okay. A D-list celebrity? Oh my gosh. Not even close, Kim. Kim, are you paying attention to your numbers? Actual Texas celebrity that everyone knows about? Yeah, actually true though. Actually true though. Oops. So I have to decide, you guys. We are going to do a Kaze build at some point, and I have to decide what switches to put in because I haven't yet. And I'm open to suggestions, and I feel like we could go to classics. We could go to cherry, but I feel like I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's the right play just yet. I think we can pretty much guarantee it'll sound good like that, but I'm not sure yet. I pretend I do not see. Get out of here. I hear they're naming a new state park after Kim. Oh my gosh. The Kim Street. What's cherry? I only know cat. Wait, what? Okay, let's take a quick peek. This is a whiteboard. What cap set should we use on here? We could put Deep Navy. We could put Striker. We could put Analog Dreams. Yo, Soft Serve, thank you so much for the follow. Oh gosh, Ithrak, I wish. I don't have pink on navy. This is what I've got. I've got Deep Navy, Future Funk, Analog Dreams, Striker, Black Lotus. Future Funk we can do either colorway. What color is the zoom? It's white. White. Not Striker, please. Okay. Deep Navy. DN. Kim votes for DN. Cancerous also. Okay, we're gonna need a poll. Okay. We've got some opinions. Let's bring up a poll. Toss out your opinions and then I'll make a poll based on that. Poll. What cap set? White case. And we'll put up here. We'll put up Future Funk. We'll put DN. Oops. DN. Wait, what? Did I actually... There we go. Deep Navy. What else are you guys saying? Let's see. Hang on a sec. Oh, I gotta open my own channel because I covered up the chat. Hang on a sec. Let's see. What are you guys saying? Wob. Done. Oh, never mind. Okay, frick, never mind. Elvin already did it. Deep Navy, Serica, Future Funk. Okay. Elvin's already like, all right, I got it. Okay, perfect. Now I don't have to. Elvin, appreciate you. Yeah, Serica would work, I guess. On a whiteboard, not bad. We also have color chrome white. We could just do the whole thing white, I guess. There's that. Okay. What's in the lead right now? Hang on. Let's see. Okay. I gotta tell you, I really love that little bookshelf of keycaps though. Give me color or give me death. Oh my god. Future Funk's the most interesting. Future Funk's so good. Asley, how's it going? Oh, you finished streaming. How are you? How was your stream? More melodies, let's go. I really like Very Fun and Very Chaotic. Thanks for asking. I sometimes those are the best streams though, honestly, aren't they? So, whoops. Sometimes those are the best streams. When chat just gives you like heart palpitations, sometimes those are the best. Okay. This is the shift. Okay, so now we've got a shift key. Pretty good. We got enter key. Honestly, on a whiteboard, you guys, I wouldn't be mad about Deep Navy. I wouldn't even be mad. It's gonna be fantastic. Future Funk wins. Okay, well, which Future Funk? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll pick. I'm gonna use the white mods for Future Funk. Okay, we're gonna use the white mods for Future Funk. Or the, or should we go purple? All purple. Maybe the purple mods will be better. My only issue with the way I've got Future Funk split up is it's like, oh, with white? Okay, I'm in. Oridemos, hello. Okay, let's take a sip. Jeez. Okay, what about Wob? We can always do Wob, but I think people want to see some other stuff. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, Future Funk with white always looks good. The last time I used Future Funk was actually on Jack Picate's board, the Funky 60. Yeah. So I really got to find a better way of setting it up. Okay, so when you're a God Empress of Texas, oh my goodness, I actually have more melodies coming in. I quite like these. The color is a little bit obnoxious, and when I say a little bit, I mean thoroughly and completely. However, the switches are good. I would say. Yeah. Also, Cancerous, I wasn't catching what you were apologizing for either. Oh my gosh, it's so flexy. The plate can barely catch anything because the PCB flexes into the desk mat. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Magenta is your favorite color? Like that? So rich, so deep. We've even got the Future Funk, oh, it's not Cookie. Who is it? Lessie to go with it. So that's cool. This is what I get. I put everything away and I gotta pull it back out. I need a PCB support tool instead of a plate support tool. Yeah, exactly, Gunit. Exactly true. Your guess doesn't cut it. Well, no, in this case, Gunit's teasing because the PCB is pushing into the desk mat so much that it's flexing out from underneath of it. I was with you. Gunit. It's crazy. Crazy, though. Okay. Pretty sweet. Somebody make Gio a Superman artisan, please. Well, I've got a Superman bowl of shreddies. Does that count? I had shreddies before stream tonight. So that was fun. I had shreddies before stream tonight. Oh. Counts for something? Okay. A Superman. Imagine a Superman artisan. I don't even know what you would do. I guess you could do a G. You know what would be kind of sick, actually? The problem is that if I was going to put on a keyboard, here's my problem. If I was going to put an artisan of mine on a keyboard, I wouldn't want it in the Superman colors because that, like, these colors are not colors I would ever choose. Like, so it's the kind of thing where I'd kind of want it monochrome, and I think this logo would be cool in monochrome. That would be cool. Oh gosh, Cancerous, I know. I don't know why that was the call, but it was. The only reason why I know about that is because a guy I work with is a full, like, sort of comic book and superhero kind of buff or whatever. But, oh well. Especially because, okay, chat, we all have to admit, Henry Cavill's beautiful, right? We all can agree, right? Naderama, hello? Hello? Welcome, Orama? Yes, okay, good. We all can agree about that, right? We all can agree about that. Comics, right? Right. Okay, how's it going? Adiran, you know who it is? It's BMAC. He was telling me about it. He was like, yeah, did you hear this? Like Henry Cavill, whatever. It was like, yeah, yeah. How's the new job, dude? How's it going? Between Cavill and Tom Hardy? Yeah, Tom Hardy. Like, do a Darth Geo logo? It'd be cool if it was monochrome. The logo in monochrome, I think, would be kind of sick. Black and white would be sweet. Where it's like, maybe the cap is white, the cap base is white, and the top is all white, and then just the G is black, maybe? Into microservices, wish me luck. Let's go. You're on cleanup duty? Okay. That's good. Cavill over Hardy. Hardy is kind of too rough around the edges. Yeah. Yeah, like even when Cavill was playing Geralt, he was still like kind. Like he was a butcher, you know, but he was still like, he had like a softness to him. I don't know. I thought he did a really good job. Oh my gosh, did he actually? Scaling into the future, let's go. Scaling into the future, dude, just shut off advertising. He left The Witcher to play Superman again, and then DC canned him. Oh God. I needed a nighttime key builder. Yo, Nate, I got you, fam. Every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. Adarad, you like that? Yeah, fine. Adarad, you like that? Want to make money? Just turn off advertising. Yeah, Cavill doing Warhammer though. Agreed. I heard he's yes. Agreed. I feel like, I mean, the cool thing is he's good, and he loves nerdy shit, and it's like, that's awesome, right? That's gonna be so good because he loves it. So it's like when he goes and picks up like a role for something nerdy. Yeah, exactly. It's like, it's not like he has to go and like learn it, you know? The only other person I feel who did a good job of that was, holy crap, this is so, it's like so snaggy, was Aragorn. I don't know if he was a nerd, but he picked it up. Like he dove in, you know, head first, literally. So that was sweet. Gaming rig. Yeah. Oh, I think I saw that too, Gunit. Man, also, have you seen his training? Like, there were some videos of him training for The Witcher. Whew. Crazy. Vigo Mortensen. That's it. Thank you. It's Asley. Thank you. They say that the writers behind the scenes want to move more away from the Witcher books. Harry wants to stay closer to the book material. Oh, so it's like, you know what? Kudos, man, for like, good for him for like sticking with it. You know, I think that's even more respect for me. Not that you need my approval, but there you go. I completed my Succession viewing for the. Yo, Tyler, how's it going? Vigo, hella good. Yeah, Vigo's damn good. Honestly, one of the best parts of that movie. One of the literal best. Okay. So we've got this done, and now we're gonna have to. I guess we're gonna put the socks on. Because he knows the source material pretty well. That's sick. That's freaking sick. Okay, so... oh, look at that. Okay. So what do we do? Kind of like one of these thingies? It's like this, and then something like this. Pff, fabulous. There you go. Fuson. It's like all the gear. If you want to know any part of the setup, it's basically... There's commands for it, so... I appreciate you just reaching out. An actor who played Saruman, Mr. Christopher Lee, knew Tolkien and wanted to stay close to this. Yes, that's true, Nate. That is also true. Oh, hang on. Are these directional? Or should they be relatively the same? Is there like a thin side and a fat side? Maybe not. No. Okay. Just, there might be some discrepancies between. Okay. So we can just do this then. Love it. You brought enough licorice for the class, young. Yeah, exactly, right? Actually looks like licorice, though. Fabulous. Fabulous. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There are longer ones and shorter ones. Hang on a sec. There are longer ones and shorter ones. Hang on. Punk! Yo, Punk. You know we're repping Punk Shoe switches. I'm a Punk Shoe fan, actually. That is what I will say. I am a Punk Shoe fan. I dig his stuff. The root beer floats were also